ready to unlock your inner filmmaker with a touch of AI magic. Today, we're diving deep into Sora 2 and how you can create stunning videos with its incredible features. First things first, let's get your footage into Sora 2. Click on the import button a circumflex euros. It's easy to spot. You can drag and drop your video clips, images, or even audio files directly into the project. Sora 2 supports a wide range of formats, so don't worry about compatibility. Once your assets are in, you'll see them appear in your media bin now. Let's start building your story. Drag your primary video clip onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. You can arrange multiple clips side by side to form the backbone of your video. Time to refine. Use the cutting tool to trim away unwanted sections of your clips. Simply position the playhead where you want a cut and click. You can also use the split function to break a clip into multiple pieces. This precision allows you to control the pacing and flow of your narrative. But Sora 2 isn't just about cutting and arranging. Let's add some flair. Navigate to the text and title section. You can insert text overlays to add context, captions, or even stylized titles. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to match your video's aesthetic. To make your video truly dynamic, explore Sora 2's powerful AI-driven effects and transitions. Browse through the library and apply smooth fades, exciting wipes, or even unique visual transformations to seamlessly connect your scenes. Think of them as your secret sauce for professional-looking edits. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click on the export button. Sora 2 gives you flexible export options. You can choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and even select preset configurations optimized for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. Just pick your preference and hit export. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of creating compelling videos with Sora 2. Start experimenting. Let your creativity flow and share your amazing creations with the world.